Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up? How you feeling today? Okay, so today we have something interesting. Two things that are interesting: the front trunk install as well as the rear trunk install mat. So honestly, I don't feel it's good to not. If you want to, you can spend your money and buy more extravagant stuff, but we got this from Amazon and it's best bang for your buck. I'm not even gonna lie. This, you can see this is by SGG Direct. This is the front mat, and that's the pamphlet and everything. You can see it has the same thing going on as the last video, the badging as the max liner that I showed in the last video. And last but not least, this is the rear mat, and I love it. I love it because it goes with the same theme as the max, the smart liner, the grooves and everything. And I love the Model 3. That's very it's very prominent. I love the look of that. And so I'm gonna show the install, and it's pretty simple, but I'm just coming to you with this video to say you don't really have to get the most expensive stuff. If you want to, you can, but I will show you how it looks before and after. Yeah, next scene. Okay, check this out, man. You know, it's so cool to do it from the phone, but it's not as cool as talking to the car. Open front trunk. Open rear trunk. Okay. So, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Fits right in as is. Just have to let it mold to it a little bit. You know? Sad day today, sad day. I'm sorry, man. I was raving about all this, but that one, I know that one was not gonna fail me. This one, I guess it's better to spend the extra money, as I was saying. I take my word back. It's not a perfect fit. You don't want it bending because it's a luxurious car. You know, it looks tacky. So I'm gonna make it up to you guys and have a reinstall for that one. But and also, if you don't know how to properly close this, you just don't close it like that. Even with a regular ICE engine car, you have to do it from here. Perfect. As I said, Model 3 really looks nice. It's very prominent. And boom, as is, perfect fit. You know, and if whatever you have in here is not gonna slip and slide. Just like those hangers that you buy with the little materials, it doesn't move as much. So this is perfect. This one, we're not gonna return this. Perfect fitment. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video of the install. I know it was only one mat, but what can we do? But I promise I have a replacement coming for that front trunk. But did you see how the fitment of the rear one is perfect fitment? I really like it. But next, many videos coming up. Next one is about a screen protector and a cubby space for the Tesla. Thank you so much for watching once again. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I'm open to any questions, honestly. So take care and be blessed.